Ravage allows for the use of masks. It helps you differentiate the amount of detail you'd like on each layer and what detail you'd like to put on each layer. You can use both generator masks and texture masks. The first operator in the masks panel allows you to bake all the masks down into an image texture. This helps when calculating shaders and frees up the viewport. The operator poll only allows it to work when there's an object selected. You can choose to hide the masks on the layer, and you can also choose to reset the masks on the layer. Certain masks require for you to bake support maps before using them. One of these masks is an edgeware. It requires a bevel map. If we add the edgeware mask without baking it, you'll notice an error at the bottom of the screen and nothing will change in your viewport. Just like the filter and channel panel, this is similar but has some small differences. You can use this arrow to expand or close the panel. You can hide the mask. You can set a name for the mask. You can choose to invert the mask if this is exposed, and you can set the blend for the mask. You can move the mask up or down. And also choose to delete it. The next thing we're going to do is bake the bevel map that will be used for the edgeware generator. We'll head over to the Bake tab and enable the Bake preview. Before you can bake anything, we'll need to select our UV map. Once the UV map is set, we'll be able to change the settings of what we'd like the support map to look like. I set a render border to calculate faster. This is because certain nodes don't work in Eevee and therefore need cycles to calculate. Once we're done baking, we can go back and add the edgeware mask. You'll notice that this time it works properly and we don't get an error message. Generators can be heavy on the computer, and it's recommended to bake them down if you don't need to change them later.